Hello, so I'm going to do an unboxing. This is Mary Kay. It is a Satin hands set. So it has a hand scrub, lotion, and cream. When I used to work for Mary Kay, I used to use this all the time. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So happy it came in because my hands get really bad in the winter. It's kind of hard to tell in this lighting, but it gets like really dry and red, like eczema kind of thing. And I find the only thing that works is this for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna open my cats. I'll try to eat my oatmeal and coffee. It's here for now. So this is the box, and it says the wait is over. Indeed it is. It's like opening a present. Oh my god, I got a sample. This is a little sample size here. So Satin Hands Nourishing Shea Cream. Paper. And then it comes with a little order form. It's a little order form here. And this is the actual thing. What is this? Sleep, eat, Mary Kay, repeat. Best day ever. Your products are here. Tag us in the photo of your new purchase using the following hashtag for a chance to be featured on Mary Kay's social channels. Your name could be drawn for a prize. Hashtag I heart Mary Kay. Alright, I'll definitely do that. I used to work for Mary Kay, so it comes in this little packaging. And then on the thing here, just kind of tells you what it includes. And here's the actual little cute bag it comes in. It's the cutest bag ever. What is this? Oh, this is just like step-on-step how to use it. So here's the scrub. So it's Satin Smoothie Refining Shea Scrub, exfoliating and fragrance free, because I am a little more sensitive to fragrances. So that's why I like fragrance free. Let's show that one last, because that's the last one. Then you will follow up with the Mary Kay Nourishing Shea Cream stuff. And then lastly, you will use the protecting softener. So you'll put this on last so that it helps like lock everything in. Yeah, that's all I really bought from Mary Kay. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat my food now, and Mike will use this right after because I'm just gonna let it warm up because it's a little cold right now, because I don't know, I guess it's been in the truck for a while, so it's cold, but it's kind of cold, so I'm gonna let it get to room temperature before using it. But yeah, so excited to have these and use these. So I'm just gonna put it back in here though for now, so I can take a picture from our Instagram. All right, see you guys later. Bye.